Joey made a pass at me in the bathroom, but I said, "You snooze, you lose, Joey."
So Darwin could have just said, "Wallace, you snooze, you lose."
You snooze, you lose.
Because you know what they say, you snooze, you lose.
Have you ever felt like you missed out on an opportunity because you hesitated or waited too long? If so, you're not alone. Understanding common English idioms like you snooze, you lose can help you communicate more effectively and avoid these frustrating situations. Let me share a funny story that shows what can happen when you don't fully understand an idiom. My friend, Samantha, was recently invited to a big party, but she wasn't sure if she wanted to go. She told her roommate, "I don't know, I might just snooze and lose on this one." Her roommate looked at her in confusion and said, "Wait, what? You can't just take a nap and then lose your chance to go to the party." Samantha was puzzled. "What do you mean? I thought that's what snooze and lose means." You snooze, you lose is an idiom that means if you hesitate or delay taking action, you'll miss your opportunity. It's a way of emphasizing the importance of being proactive and seizing the moment, rather than letting chances slip away. For example, you might use you snooze, you lose in a casual conversation. "I wanted to buy those concert tickets, but they sold out in minutes." You snooze, you lose. In a more formal setting, you could say, "The early bird gets the worm," as they say. If you don't act quickly, you'll miss out on this promotion. To help you remember the meaning of you snooze, you lose, try picturing a person sleeping while an opportunity passes them by. This visual aid can serve as a handy memory tool, reminding you that hesitation and inaction can lead to missed chances. The exact origins of this idiom are unclear, but it gained popularity in the early 20th century to highlight the importance of acting swiftly. It reflects the cultural value of being proactive and not letting laziness or complacency hold you back. Similar idioms include the early bird catches the worm, strike while the iron is hot, and carpe diem. An idiom with an opposing message is better late than never. Related idioms like strike while the iron is hot also emphasize the need to act quickly. Here's an example of how you might use you snooze, you lose in a sentence. "I was going to apply for that internship, but I waited too long and the positions were filled." You snooze, you lose. If I wanted to rephrase that without using the idiom, I could say, "I hesitated to apply for the internship, and as a result, all the positions were taken." I recently witnessed the effective use of you snooze, you lose in a real-life situation. My friend, Alex, was considering whether to buy tickets to a concert that was selling out quickly. When I reminded him, "You snooze, you lose," he immediately jumped online and secured the last few tickets. He was grateful for the timely reminder, as he would have missed out otherwise. One common mistake people make when using you snooze, you lose is grammatical errors, such as saying you snooze and you lose or you snooze, you will lose. The correct form is you snooze, you lose, as it's an idiom that expresses a direct cause and effect relationship. To avoid this error, try to remember the succinct, parallel structure of the idiom. Now, let's test your understanding of you snooze, you lose with a few multiple-choice questions. 1. What is the meaning of the idiom you snooze, you lose? A. If you delay taking action, you'll miss your opportunity. B. If you sleep in, you'll be late for work. C. If you don't pay attention, you'll make a mistake. Answer A. 2. Which of the following is a synonym for you snooze, you lose? A. The early bird catches the worm. B. Better late than never. C. Time waits for no one. Answer A. 3. Which of the following is an antonym for you snooze, you lose? A. Seize the day. B. Good things come to those who wait. C. Opportunity knocks but once. Answer, B. In summary, you snooze, you lose is a powerful idiom that emphasizes the importance of taking action and seizing opportunities before they slip away. By understanding the meaning, usage, and cultural context of this expression, you can improve your communication skills and avoid missed chances in your personal and professional life. Now it's your turn. Share a sentence using the idiom you snooze, you lose in the comments below. Did you ever experience a situation where understanding this idiom could have made a difference? I'd love to hear your stories and insights. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English idiom lessons.
Joey made a pass at me in the bathroom, but I said, you snooze, you lose, Joey.
So Darwin could have just said, Wallace, you snooze, you lose.
You snooze, you lose.
Because you know what they say, you snooze, you lose.